Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. From any screen, you've got nav here, or if you're on the home menu, like so, from home menu, you've got quick destination entry. All you have to do is click destination entry there. If you go to it through nav, click on nav, you've got destination entry up there. So it's another click, nothing too drastic. Then you've got postcode, click postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P R 5 4 J S. Not the quickest, but it is by far the simplest, I think. And then you have to click OK. You've got PR54JS, that's all right. That's what we want. Click OK. Route preferences. Destination. Destination's been set at PR54JS. Click Go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
Guy's voice on the sat nav. I don't think I've ever heard that before. Right. That's it. Thanks for watching.